Let's have a look at how to add a Google Gmail account on the iPhone 15. Let's jump on in. First of all, open up the Settings app. Then scroll down until you see Mail. Then tap on it. Next, tap on Accounts. Select Add Account next, and then tap on Google. Now sign into your Google Gmail account. First provide the email address or phone. Then tap on Done here. Tap on Next. And after that, enter your password right here. After that, tap on Done again. And tap on Next. Once you see this screen here, make sure that all the necessary features are indeed toggled on, and after that, very importantly, to finish the process, tap on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. Your Google Gmail account has now been successfully set up on the iPhone 15. It might take a while until it will appear here on the screen. The Gmail account that I just added can be seen right here. Now let me quickly show you how you can access your emails on the iPhone 15 after setting this up. First of all, we're going back to the home screen, and then we're going to open up the Mail application. Now when you tap on Inbox, you should actually see all your emails from your Gmail account right here. However, it's important to note, as we have just set this up, it might take a while until these emails appear right here, because they first need to be downloaded. If your inbox is still empty right here, you will need to refresh, and you can do that by simply swiping down like this, and you will then see this refresh button at the top. And this should make sure that your emails are then downloading, and you should be able to find all of these then here in your inbox. Once the update process is finished, at the bottom of the screen, you should then also see something like this, updated just now, and then the amount of unread emails. And that's it, guys. This is how you set up a Google Gmail account on the iPhone 15. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.